Good afternoon mga idol. We're back with another video. And in this video, I'll be responding to .DianDel4567. Sabi niya, Sir, paturo bakit di kayo naubusan ng mana. Okay, madali lang yan. By the way, I am using my alt. Okay? So, let's go. Bakit di daw ako naubusan ng mana? First off, check nyo muna dito. Click mo yung skill book. And then, dito mo monitor kung ilan yung MP consumption mo and then ilan yung MP recovery mo. As for my character, I would be consuming 141 mana points every 5 seconds. And my MP recovery is 99 mana points every 5 seconds. But still, hindi pa rin ako naubusan ng mana. Bakit kaya? Di ba? Well, ito yung isa sa gusto ko sa crossbow. Yung main ko, crossbow. Until dito sa Midea, crossbow pa rin ako. Dahil dito. Yung crossbow kasi, at level 55, merong load special arrow na skill. And then if you're gonna use the yellow arm, ito, I mean the dark yellow, kasi yellow din to eh. Meron siyang first MP recovery na plus 9. And then, ito yung skill na gusto ko. For every attack, for the next 6 seconds, magbibigay siya, for every basic attack, magbibigay siya ng 30 mana points. Okay? And let's see that in action. Sige. Check natin. Yun, 30, 30, 30. Yan yung effect ng skill na yan. The faster the attack speed, the better. That's why kinuha ko rin si Blitzblade. Kasi nga, itong character na to, yung alt na to, is ginawa ko siyang purely free to play. And then, 90% AFK. The only thing I do here is daily missions. Itong ganito, yung daily mission. Daily dungeon, which is, I think, hindi ko pa nagagawa. Pero iiwan ko lang din yan doon. And that's it. Another thing that you can do is to upgrade your item logs. Kasi yung item log mo, magpa-pile up yan. So, eto, meron na akong MP recovery in battle plus 10. Okay? Siyempre, 64 pa lang yung item log ko, kaya ganon. And another thing that you can do is you can buy mounts. I know of a certain mount that gives mana recovery. Ito, yung Jack-O-Lantern. Meron siyang MP recovery in battle just by owning it, di ba? Meron ding isa ata yun, nakalimutan ko lang. Hanapin mo lang dito, meron yun. Merong isang mount na nagbibigay din ng yun. Hindi yan, si Rodi kasi it's hard to get that mount. Wait. Let me find that one for you. Yan, si Blizzard. Blizzard, meron siyang 25 right from the get-go, 25 na siya. Now, if you're gonna upgrade it, aakyat pa yan. Kaso I can't give you the value right now kasi hindi siya upgraded, di ba? But you get my point. And another thing that you can do is to equip cloth. Punta ka dito sa armor. Ito sa cloth. Check mo. View all effects. Yan. If you would be using 5 cloth items, that's gonna give you 30 MP recovery in battle. So this one, coupled with your item log, coupled with the skills, coupled with the mount that you would want to buy, hindi ka talaga maubusan ng mana. Okay? Hindi ko napapahabain yung video. I hope I answered your question. Thank you for asking. Good afternoon sa lahat. Keep grinding.